Well, guys, I bought a battery. It was like 113 bucks because I have cores. 2 mower batteries counts as 1 core for that. So I can finally put a battery in this and see if any lights turn on and stuff. I heard she cranked 2 years ago, but that might have changed over the bit. Fun. Okay, I got her hooked up. Little zingy went through there, so I know she's hooked up. Let's see what happens. Okay. Y'all. Open. Did you hear that? She just hit. Did you hear that? She just hit. She hit. 1 second, y'all. You heard that, right? She hit. Come on. Come on, man. Okay, now we're having a problem. Now I'm gonna open the hood again. Might just be because I didn't close the hood. Okay. Go up. Guess so. Did you hear that, y'all? She hit. I heard a hit. Why aren't you going anymore? Okay. Get everything on there good. Okay, let's see what happens. First, do you work? How many miles you got? 137,000. So let's let her kind of breathe here for a sec. It's like she I wonder, you are the intake. I think that's the intake. I might be kind of stupid. It's a fuel injected, so it's not like I can really do that. I bet the gas is all old and crappy. Let's check. Ooh. Yeah, that fuel system needs some new gas. But there you go. She cranks. She clanks. I'm gonna close the hood and see. Brother's letting me use his siphon, and I'm gonna grab a bucket, and I'm gonna. It's probably just this hose, but here, I'll take this clear one. Yeah, you can see it's got that. I don't know. It's a siphon, I guess. I'm gonna grab a big bucket or 2 probably here, and we're gonna get the old gas out there. I just got some ether, so we're gonna put that into the air filter and see if she hits. And if she does, then we know it's a fuel problem. And if she doesn't, it's probably a spark or compression problem. Like, if it's a compression problem, that's not gonna be fun. I hope it ain't a compression problem. Because if it is, I will cry. I will cry. So let's do this. Okay, she just fired up. One sec, I want to put a bit of ether in here. Okay. That's orange. Quite a bit of that orange went in my mouth when I was trying to siphon it. It tastes great. Very great. Yeah. After about half an hour and the first taste of 3-year-old gas works. Yeah. In today's world, that's about quite a bit over $100 of gas right there. About 23 gallons. Yeah. That is big. So I got that all out, and we're gonna give her a bit more ether, see what happens. So as of right now, she turns on. She's got 137,000 miles. And crank her after giving her a bit of starter fluid. She'll start for just about a second. Okay, seems like there's good pressure on the brakes, so that's good. Cool stuff. But I'm gonna go. It's time for my it's time for me to eat, and yeah. So I'm gonna go. Look what I did. I broke the tip off. Ooh, my headlights are on. Which they shouldn't be. Or, well, one of my headlights are on. Yeah, you should be off at the moment. Because I turned the truck off. Don't want my battery drained. Look at you. There, I turned it all the way down. Put you right there. And I'll put you right there because you're needed. Turn off. It'll turn off after a bit. And then I don't know what to do with 23 gallons of old gas. A lot of liquid persuasion there. I saved some liquid persuasion. The other stuff I disposed it in. There's this huge barrel full of gas that we put old gas in. But yeah,